Hi, I am so excited to be able to talk to you about my $1 billion box. I have been using these products for the last few weeks and I have loved every look that I've created using the pans that I have in my box, and I am so excited to share that with you today. Almost everything that I'm wearing on my face came from using the products that I have in my $1 billion box, as well as a few other $1 billion brows products. And if you follow my other makeup tutorials, you'll know that $1 billion brows has a special place in my heart, and I use their products in probably every single video I have ever posted. Something that is so special and unique about this box is that it's sustainable, but it is totally customizable, and there are over 35 pans that you can get to fill up your box to be exactly what your preference or your tastes are. There's so much to choose from to build your box. So this is what my box currently looks like, but I am definitely going to be picking up more shades. Right now I have two lip balms. This is Gumball right here, and this is Sorbet. I love mixing them together for a really nice cream blush. And then I have the powder blush in the shade Romance and the powder highlight in the shade Imagine. And then my three eyeshadows that I have here in the center are Golden right here, Honey right here, and Amber on the top. Here's what those three look like. Then I have the brow pomade in the shade Taupe. For today's look, I only have the brow pomade run through my brows right now. I think they look really nice. They look a tad structured, but I still think they look really natural. I think the color was a really good color match for what I've got going on right now. This is the brow pomade in the shade Taupe. This is Universal Taupe in the pencil that I don't know what the official name is. This is light brown in the Brows on Point pencil. This is Taupe in the Microblade Effect pen, which is one of my all-time favorite brow products to use in my everyday makeup. And then this is the brow powder in the shade Taupe as well. Here on my hand I swatched the shade Golden. If I didn't know any better, you wouldn't be able to convince me that this wasn't an eye gloss. I have it on the center of my lids right now, and I also used it as a highlighter topper on my cheekbones, my cupid's bow, my nose. Anywhere I can wear this, I will wear this. In a makeup tutorial that I filmed using the box earlier, I also used it as a lip topper because I just really enjoy the glossiness and the juiciness, the wetness of this shade. It's something that just intensifies anything that you put it on top of, and it has the most just beautiful glow of anything that I currently have, and I am so excited to check out more of their shades that are very similar to this, but this just looks wet. Underneath I've swatched the shade Amber, which is also a really nice soft metallic shade. This is the shade Honey. I did build it up a little bit to be able to differentiate it better against my skin tone. Here on top is the highlighter in the shade Imagine, and then underneath is the powder blush in the shade Romance. I know this shade looks a little intimidating, but it wears so nicely. This is my primary highlight across the high points of my face. When I mix the two shades together, it comes up with a very familiar shade of another cult classic shimmery blush that I think we all know what this shade looks like. And then last, I wanted to swatch for you the lip formula. I have the shades Gumball and Sorbet. In the pan, I think they look pretty similar, but once you swatch them, you do see that they are quite different. I am a cream blush fanatic, so when I had the opportunity to use these lip shades, I of course had to try them as cream blush. So this is what the two look like when they're mixed together, and I really think this is just one of the most perfect blush shades, especially for me, my skin tone, my undertones. And it is a natural flush that still has that juicy glow to it. And that is a tour of my $1 billion box. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed learning a little bit more about how I like to use my box and these products. Definitely check out the makeup looks that I've created using these products, and I cannot wait to see how you customize your own $1 billion box. Make sure to tag me so I can see what looks you're creating as well.